client wanted a new mural on their fence, and I got started with their ocean theme that they requested of a specific place. Now, if you've ever done murals, you're going to need to do a little bit of homework on what paint to use and what the situation is. Here I have exterior acrylic paint that I had mixed with the palette of colors that the client wanted for their mural. And then I'll use black and white, of course, to create the values. The customers wanted to have themselves with their dog included into their painting. I'm creating a little bit of perspective so that it appears that the trail goes off into the distance. Now, the place that they wanted is called Pelican Rock, and there's pelicans that land on a big rock and some cormorants as well. So I'm making a larger pelican that's flying to the rock that's closer to the viewer. This mural has a fence that is quite a distance from the road, so it's important that you see some things close and some things far away, and each panel in the fence has something going on. So here's the final piece. We have the couple, the larger pelican, the smaller pelicans flying in the distance, then Pelican Rock, and the trail that goes far away to the point.